Welcome back to CodeChef. So far, we've treated dictionaries as simple key-value pairs. But what if you need to store data that's even more complex? What if a single key has multiple related pieces of information, like a user profile with multiple addresses or a shopping list with many items? Today, we'll explore practical dictionary applications, showing you how to manage complex, structured data like a pro. Now, let's imagine a video game character. The character's core stats, like strength, agility, and health, can be a nested dictionary inside their profile. Their inventory might be a dictionary of lists, where a key like weapons contains a list of all the weapons they are carrying. And the game's entire team roster is simply a list of dictionaries, where each entry is a single player's profile. Dictionaries are the perfect tool for structuring this kind of complex, multi-layered data. In this tutorial, you will master these key concepts: nested dictionaries, dictionary of lists, list of dictionaries, dictionary sorting by keys, dictionary sorting by values, dictionary merging, and dictionary transformation. Dictionaries are flexible and can hold other collections. A nested dictionary is like a folder inside another folder, where a key holds a whole new dictionary. A dictionary of lists is where one key holds a list of many items. And a list of dictionaries is a list full of individual dictionaries, like a row of cards, where each card has different information. Let's see these powerful ideas in action. First, we have a nested dictionary, a dictionary inside another. We can reach the inner information using two sets of square brackets. A dictionary of lists is a dictionary where each key points to a list of multiple items. For example, in a shopping cart, the key fruits holds a list of all the fruits you want to buy. On the other hand, a list of dictionaries is a single list where each item is a complete dictionary. Imagine a leaderboard. Each player is their own dictionary, with keys for their name and score. Even though dictionaries don't have an order, we can sort their items to create a new, ordered list, based on either their keys or values. To merge two dictionaries together, we can use the update method or the pipe operator. It's a great way to combine information. Finally, we can transform a dictionary, like flipping it inside out to swap the keys and values. It's a powerful trick. These applications are everywhere. Lists of dictionaries are the standard way to store data from databases and APIs. You would use sorting to create a high-score list in a game. Nested dictionaries are used to parse complex data from JSON files. Once you understand these, you can tackle almost any real-world data problem. Here we have two dictionaries, one for Class A and one for Class B. Your challenge is to combine these two into a single dictionary. Notice that Bob is in both classes, so his grade from Class B should overwrite his grade from Class A. To solve this, we can use the .update method. We'll call update on Class A and pass Class B to it. This will add the new students from Class B and automatically update Bob's grade. And there you have it. Our final dictionary contains all the students from both classes, and Bob's grade has been correctly updated to 88. Nicely done. Let's quickly recap these advanced concepts. Dictionaries can contain other dictionaries and lists. Lists can contain dictionaries for structured data. You can sort and merge dictionaries for powerful data manipulation. Transformation allows you to reorganize your data. These are the building blocks of professional applications. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.